Welcome to Digital Real Estate Marketing video course, and I would like to tell you that thank you so much for enrolling in this course. And one terms condition I would like to tell you that whatever you are going to learn in this video course, you must have to implement all those things into your business, right? It is very important that you should take action to get better result, right? So let's get started, and thank you so much once more again. So this is just a basic introduction video, right? So in this course you are going to learn how to get start digital real estate marketing step by step, how to make simple advertisement or ad for general purpose, right? You may need to create an ad for general purpose about telling on your WhatsApp, social media that I have this listing, and all that stuff, normal ad, right? So that type of ad I'm going to teach you how you can create a simple best attractive ad, right? How to do social media marketing for real estate business. If you want to do social media marketing for real estate business, I'm going to teach you complete social media marketing, almost complete, right? Number 4 is that how to generate lead for free. Yes, I'm going to give you some amazing strategy that you can use in your business to generate free leads for your real estate business, and whatever property you're selling, or if you are looking for clients, you can use this strategy to generate for yourself clients and leads also, right? So that video going to be awesome for you, right? Next is that other method for digital real estate marketing, right? So in digital marketing there are a lot of methods and ways and strategies you can use for your real estate business to market your listing on property what you want to market, right? So that video is going to be awesome for you. And in number 6 I am going to give you something very special. Final words would be mine, and something another I will give you, right? So make sure you watch this video. So this was just introduction video. So let's jump into to understand what is digital marketing. It is very important that you must know about digital marketing. So simple as simple, digital marketing is the process of marketing where you use digital media or digital channel. That's it, simple as simple. Here you don't use any kind of newspaper, radio ad, any kind of offline ads, right? Here you go completely online ads, online advertisement. Here you use digital media, digital channels to market your listing or real estate business. That's it. So as you can see here, I have some internet stats, right, for real estate business. How the internet fits into your home searches, right? So the 92% people who buy a home, they prefer to search on internet first, right? 92% people, right? So you must have to understand your potential customer also available on internet, and you must have to be on internet. So whenever someone search for home buying in your area, right, so the person your name should come in front of your customers, right? That is very important. Another thing is that 87% of all buyers who work with agents, they trust them as a good information source, right? 42% of all home buyers use the internet as a first step in their home search. Another is 14% of all home buyers looked online for information about buying process, right? So use this information and understand how you can make so easier in your internet marketing or digital marketing. So whenever customer searching about you, your name should go in front of them. I will teach you all that stuff, don't worry. Let's go ahead. So another is benefits, right? So let's understand the benefits. Okay, so number 1, it helps to save time and money to reaching out to buyers. If you want to reach a buyers, potential customers, right, or clients, it helps you to save time and money, because that's actually cost effective, or we can say that actually a value for money thing for you, right? Number 2 benefit of digital marketing for real estate is that higher ROI than offline marketing. If you are going to do radio ads, billboards, or any kind of offline ads, that cost you more than digital advertisement. So digital marketing give you higher ROI, and you can even track the ROI if you want to track it for your real estate business, right? Number Number three benefit is that it helps out to grab new opportunities and market all over the world. You can reach out to all over the world. Doesn't matter where you live, where you are listing, and from which in which country you are actually selling the property. You can market all over the world. That's the another best benefit you can use in your business. Another is that it helps you to find a new customer similar to your old customer all over the world, right? It helps you to find a new customer to similar to all your old customer all over the world. So let's suppose if you have the list of 100,000 or 10,000 1,000 people who already work with you, right? They were your customer, so you can use digital strategy to find similar customer to them. That's amazing. I will teach you ahead all that stuff. Okay, so that's 5 benefits that's going to be amazing. That will help you a lot, right? So that's it in this introduction video. Hopefully you like this video and you will continue the course, and make sure you watch every single video and implement that knowledge into your business. Hopefully you like it, and thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much. Welcome back to Digital Real Estate Marketing video course. In this video you are going to learn how to get start digital real estate marketing step by step. If you are beginner in digital real estate marketing, this video is going to be very helpful for you to get start your digital real estate marketing, right? I have go completely from scratch and going to give you complete blueprint, step by step process that you must have to follow in your real estate business to generate good results. Let's get started and see the step by step process, and I'm going to give you 3 steps that you can use in your business. Okay, so let's get started. Step number 1, go online. I know that you may say me, Pawan, I know whenever when we have to do digital marketing, we need to go online. I know, you know that all that stuff, but this is very important that you must understand how actually you should go online and what type of activity you need to do, right? So that does not go online, right? So let me show you what actually you have to do, right? So whenever you want to go online, you need a website, right? This is a very important. So I would like to recommend you that to build your website first. It is very important that, right? And if you can build website from developer, or you can use a tool, right? So let's see the which tool you can use. So you can use WordPress. WordPress is an open source software you can use to create a beautiful website, blog or app, right? So as you can see here, there is a lot of theme available that you can use, right? So as you can see here, you can use this theme to build website, and this website can be created by without any kind of coding, right? That's how its website look like. So you can create website for yourself, or you can website develop from a company, agency or a freelancer. Even you can develop website from me, just contact me, right? So let's go ahead. So whenever you create website, when you create your complete website, your website should be good design, user friendly, mobile optimized, should load fast, and this website should contain listing page where you have the all listing information, whatever listing you may have. You have 3 or 3 4 5 projects you can list out there, right? Then whenever new listing came out, your listing go there, right? And whatever listing you have sold, there is also a separate page you can make that this listing I have sold so far and all that stuff, right? Because this will give you authority, brand authority. So whenever people land to your website, they will see, okay, you have sold lot of property, so you can get clients also, right? That build us trust online. And a separate landing page, you need a landing page means a page where you can capture lead or information of someone, right? So in landing page you can create a separate landing page for each listing page, for each listing whatever you have. Let's suppose if you have one project, you can create a landing page. So let's move ahead and see that one more important thing, you have to check your website is good or not. For this I would recommend you that to do survey and rate your website between 1 to 10. So you can ask your friends and family or colleagues to rate your website between 1 to 10, and if you are getting rating above 8 or 8, 9, 10, that means your website is good. If your rating is below 8, that means you need to change your website design or all that stuff. Just ask them, my website is good or not, that's it, right? It is very important that you should have a good website, you should have a good user experience, online experience with you. So after that you need to do SEO, search engine optimization, on your website. That search engine optimization will help you to rank your website on Google. Whenever someone search in your particular area, let's suppose someone search in California that rental room or rental apartment in California, so your website should rank over there. Whenever someone search on Google, your website should rank. So SEO will help you to rank your website. If you want to do SEO for your website, then you must learn yourself and implement those things, or you can hire someone, you can hire freelancer or agency to do SEO for you. In SEO you can create content, in SEO you can target some keywords, so whenever someone those keywords, your website should rank over there. In SEO, in basic term, what you can do is you just need a perfect, good, user friendly website, that's it. If you have a good user friendly website, your SEO happen automatically, your website will rank automatically if your website user experience is awesome. So make sure you have a good website user experience. So now another thing you need to go online is that social media accounts. So create social media accounts. So you need a Facebook page, Instagram business page, Twitter account, LinkedIn page, and YouTube channel. These 5 important social media accounts you need for your registered business, and that's very important because these 5 accounts or these 5 platforms your potential customer or client could be available, right? So that's the thing. So let me help you one thing. When you have a Facebook page or all this stuff account, whenever you are going to do marketing on this account, right, whenever you go marketing on this account, you can do this thing, right? You can post real estate investment advice, right, with funny feature. You can post product comparison image or let's follower vote. You can do all that stuff, just read out and you can do. You can also share information about daily real estate activities happen with your in your company, right? You can post all that information, all that post or activities on your social media accounts, right? Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And this is very important that you must do this thing, right? Because it helps you to build a brand online, right? Whenever someone search, whenever someone looking for a trusted person, right, and you do all that stuff, all that activity on your social media, that means that person can trust you because you are authority, you have a online brand, right? So people can trust you. You can do all that stuff on your social media. For YouTube marketing, what you can do is you can create content on this. Post video on property interior, the practical tips on home improvement, property reviews, live feed of upcoming events that related to the property, virtual reality property experience. This type of content, video content you can create, right, on for YouTube marketing, right? That will also help you to generate lead for free, right? That's very important. So let's move to the step number 2, and step number 2 is paid ads. It is very important that whenever you want to do digital marketing for your real estate business, you need a paid ads for leads, right? Because leads is the oxygen for real estate agent or real estate entrepreneur. Am I right or not? So you need leads. For this you need ads. So for lead you can use a famous paid ad platform, that is a Facebook ad, right? Just look like this ad if you run ad, right? And another platform you can use for paid ads is Google Ads. So whenever someone search that a luxurious apartment, right, in NYC, New York City, right, so your paid ad listing should be look like this, and will look like this. In Facebook ad you look like this. You can use these two platforms to run your real estate ad to generate leads, right? So you understand the step number 2. Let's jump to the step number 3. Step number 3 is very simple: build brand, right? So what want to generate free leads with ads? What if I could tell you that you can generate free leads, right, without having ads? So you need a brand. You need a brand. You build a brand for long-term business. This is very important that you must build a brand, because people can trust you, people can work with you, people can buy from you, right? So all that benefits can be coming to you, and lifetime opportunity coming to you if you build a brand. It is very important. So if you don't want to spend any kind of money on ads, you need a brand. So that's 1, 2, 3 steps that you can use in your real estate business to do or to get start your digital real estate marketing. And that's all the thing come into this thing. That's all. That's complete digital marketing I have told you just now in this 3 step. Go online. Now, step number 1, step number 2, run paid ads, step number 3, build a brand. That's it. So if you want to do some longer longer business, then you need a you should know how to build a brand, right? So that's it. Repeat step number 1 and 2 until you build brand. Until you build brand. It is very important that just repeat step number 1 and 2, whatever I have teach you right now. So some question may help you to build a brand, right? So whenever you are positioning yourself in the market, you must understand what should prospective people should have about me, right? What should people think about me, all that stuff. So let's jump onto this some question and answer these all the question yourself, so you can understand in which way you have to build your brand for yourself. Question number 1: what are your goals? Just write down on your notebook or anywhere in Dogfile or anywhere. Just write down your goals. That's it. Number 2 question is who are you helping to reach this goal? Your target audience. Here you have to mention your targeted audience, right? You have to mention who those people, those audience you are going to actually helping to reach those goals, right? That's the number 2. Number 3 is that how are you helping them? Now you know your targeted audience. Now how you are going to actually help them? Answer these 3 questions yourself and you will understand how your brand should be positioning in the market, in the online market, right? That's it. This is how you can build a brand. Let me tell you one thing. Understand this. This is very, very important. You must understand this. You can build a brand when you have trust in your brand and you provide a value to your audience. These 2 things equal to brand. That's it. Simple formula you can use in your business. That's it. So thank you so much in this video, and that's the enough for in this video. Now you have learned step by step digital real estate marketing. I would like to tell you that go ahead, implement this thing, understand yourself, ask some question yourself, and implement all the stuff knowledge in your business. And one day you are going to be successful very soon. Hopefully you understand and you like this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Digital real estate marketing video course. In this video course you are going to learn how to make simple advertisement for general purpose, right? Let's suppose you may have a new listing or a project and you want to market this project, you want to do marketing of this project. You have to create advertisement. So that advertisement you can create, that advertisement you can share on WhatsApp, you can share on Instagram or social media platforms. So anyone can easily understand your project or listing, and if your advertisement saw or seen by a potential customer, so he can reach out to you, and that's it, you can generate leads. Simple as simple. So let's go ahead, and before going ahead I would like to show you bad advertisement, right? So here's the example. As you can see here, I have saw this ad on Facebook. Just simple text, that's it. Drop in Google Map, 150 acres, Adarsh Engineering College, and all that stuff. The simple ad I have seen, and this ad is created by a real estate agent, right? So let's convert this ad into a good advertisement. See, in front of you. So as you can see here, I have just converted this ad into this ad. So let's just tell me which ad looks great, which ad looks so easy to understand. Property on sale, 150 acres, address, price, Google Maps, colon. Simple as simple. Simple ad, easy to understand. Anyone can contact you, anyone can understand your project or listing. So want to learn how to create this ad? So let's use this point in whenever you are going to create ad. Use this point, use image or try to use video if possible, right? So whenever you are going to share your ad or whenever you are going to share your listing on social media, you can use a video, because I will recommend you that to go with video of your property, so that will give you customer virtual experience to your customer, right? And for better understanding also, right? So you can go with image or video, it's completely depend on you. Must use emojis to stand out your ad. So as you can see here, I have just used emoji on WhatsApp. This is a property, or you can use this fire emoji or this thumb emoji. That's simple as simple. So you must have to use simple emojis to stand your ad. Bold headline, right? Bold headline. So as you can see here, I have just bold this property on sale. I have bold this headline, right? Price, Google Map. Bold headline. Use low words but specific word. You must have to use low quantity words but specific word. You don't have to create a 2-page, 3-page or 100 or 10, 115 or 100 to 100 words ad. You need a low word but specific word. Those words can give one single word that contain 2 or 3 words information or meaning. So use these powerful words, right? Use urgency words, right? You can use this offer is limited, right? Offer limited, book now, all that. These urgency word you can use. Try to add emotions if possible. You can add emotion, so you can create a video of property and you can use a very emotional song behind the video. So someone listen your video, someone watching your video, the background powerful emotional music will help you or help the customer to get emotionally attached with your property. If you are selling home, that works very well. If you are selling home, use I and you words. Don't use we word, because I and you can help you or build a connection with customer, right? And you can also use a Google Map location, right? As I have just used this Google Map location, right? So use this point to build good advertisement. I have just, right? So as you can see, this is bad advertisement and I just made this good advertisement. So you can use these points. Take a screenshot, save it to your phone, use further or write it down. So let me show you another good advertisement. So as you can see here, this man used all that stuff according to me, right? So as you can see, he used some images, right? And as you can see, he got 188 likes. Features, he used emoji, and he use hashtags, right? You can use, he also add a link of his a website, as you can see here. So this type of ad you can create and share on your social media platforms. So now let's understand, whenever you are going to create offline advertisement, right? So let me help you with offline advertisement also, right? So let me show you good advertisement. As you can see here, this is a offline ad, and this look very well. So you can use this point, use image, use low words but specific word, use urgency word, and use INV words. You can use this point if you are going to create a offline advertisement. That's it. So thank you so much in this video. Hopefully you have learned lot of things and you are going to implement this thing and create a advertisement for your real estate business to market that listing on social media or anywhere. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Welcome back to digital real estate marketing video course. In this video you are going to learn how to do social media marketing for real estate business, right? So let's get started, right? So there is a two types in social media marketing. Number one is social media management, and number two is a social media ads. So let's understand social media management. So what is actually social media management? Social media management is the process of managing your social media accounts to build a brand, to build a online authority, to build a online trust in your potential customer or clients, or anyone you want to anyone, the person you want that the person should trust on you, right? So social media management help you to generate free leads, also to build a brand also, right? So you need social media accounts. We have talked which type of accounts you need. And then you need a content, right? Value, so you can help out to people, right? So you need some tools, and also you need a consistency. You need a consistency whenever you are going to provide a value or whenever you are going to create a content. We have already talked about which type of content you can create on your social media marketing, right? So you can use this type of content, or I will show you which type of content you can use. And you need a tools, and you also need a consistency, and one important thing is that you need a paid ad skill, and that's complete package equal to social media marketing, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. So first of all, create your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube channel, right? We have already understand this thing. Then you need a value post or value, right? You need a 16 per month, one by one. Let's suppose if you post today, take a break of one day, then post again. So you need 16 posts per month, and that tends to a successful social media accounts or successful social media management. I'm actually talking about very minimum content you can produce, right? So you can another thing is that you can create a value post of 16 per month, right? So per month, that's minimum. Connect with tools and schedule your post. That will help you to save your time, right? So let me show you which tools you can use and schedule the post. Number one tool, the tool that I use personally is that Hootsuite. This tool will help you to manage your social media account. So as you can see here, Hootsuite is a social media management platform, right? So let me show you. Social media management platform simplified. You can start your free 30-day trial. They also offer a free trials also, right? You can connect with 35 popular social media networks. You can schedule, promote, analytics, content curation, monitoring, team management, security, apps and integration, right? So you can use this tool to manage your social media accounts, right? I personally use this account. So let me show you the dashboard of this account you can use. So as you can see here, This is how the dashboard look like of Hootsuite social media account. So this is our one page that we create a content, we create a value post, we create a content and do 16 posts plus per month. We are not actually do create a content of 16 per month. We create a more than 16. We create a 30 or 60 posts per month, right? So this is how it look like this. In publish section you can publish your content and schedule the post. Just click on the new post and you can schedule the post. Let me show you. I have some schedule the post, right? So as you can see here, we have some schedule our post, right? Our past post and new post. Two posts on our Facebook page and our Instagram page. So as you can see here, our network is page and Instagram page. So let me show you our account. So this is our Instagram account and we create a post, right? This is our Instagram account, you can follow us. We create a post to create a value so people can follow us, right? And we can also promote our listing here, so we can generate lead free for, right? So currently we are actually growing our business, we are actually building our brand. So you can create this type of content. If you want to create this type of content, you can use a tool called a Canva tool, graphic designing tool. This is a complete easy to use tool that you can use create your graphic designing works here, right? And here also available templates you can use. You can also create advertisement here by using template section, and you can create all that amazing valuable post using this tool, and we have actually created using this tool, right? So this is how you can do your social media management, right? So create all this stuff. So let's go ahead. Social media ads, another pad is that in social media ads you can go for Facebook and Instagram ads. Also if you want to go ad section, you can go Google ads as well, but this is not social media ads. Social media ad, that means social media accounts and their ad platform, that's it. Social media ads, social media ads you need for a generating leads for your business, right? So let me give you some tips, right? So provide value first, that's very important. If possible, post 4 times a day, in morning, in evening, or you can post after 2 hours in 4 times. It's completely depend on you. If possible, post 4 times a day. Don't forget to use stories feature, promote your listing without spamming. So one thing I have seen in lot of real estate business, that they go and they always spam. They always promote their listing on different Facebook groups, on their page. They just promote it, that's it. They don't provide value. So try to provide value like this, right? And then promote your listing so you can generate lead for free. Also highlight your success story on your social media accounts, whatever you have achieved success, all that stuff. Keep eye on your competitor, right? You can do things. Tools I have also mentioned here: Hashtagify to find the best hashtag for Instagram and Twitter, Hootsuite to manage all your social media platform at one place, Lithium to connect with audience, Canva to create a post, and Boxbrownie to enhance your property images, right? You can use these tools. So I have some example of some international people who do their real estate marketing like this. They share real estate activity in their company like this, right? And they also indirectly promote their property or listing, as you can see here. Another one is that another example is that success story. So don't forget your success story to promote on your social media, so people can trust on you. You can get clients, more and more clients. right? So make sure you build a brand, right, as like this, and do on your social media accounts. So that's it in this video, and thank you so much for having me here, and make sure you use these tips in your business, and see you in next video. Thank you so much. Back to digital real estate marketing video course. In this video you are going to learn how to generate free leads, right? So let's get started. So one important thing I would like to tell you is that this is a long-term strategy and completely legal to use. You can use these strategies in your business to generate result for faster and generate leads for free, right? So let's get started. So strategy number 1 is a 5k FB friends. Facebook, when you create your account on Facebook, you can make a friend with 5,000 friends, right? You can have a 5,000 friend list. So use this strategy to generate leads. So let me show you how you can implement this strategy, right? So step number 1, analyze your most common listing location. First of all, analyze your most common listing location. That's very important, because you are going to make a friendship with those people who live in your most common listing location, right? And that could be your potential customer. I will show you how you can use this strategy. Step number 2, send friend requests to business owners, investor or developer, right, in your common listing areas. So you have 5,000 people who are business owners, investor or developer, and they are your friends, right? And whenever you are going to post about your listing, they will see your post. So there is a probability you can get a lead in your friend listing also, right? So step number 3 is that you need 5,000 friends, FB friends, who are targeted people, and then share your listing on your profile. This is how strategy works, and this strategy is completely legal. Let me show you how you can use this strategy. First of all, you need a tool called or we can say you need Chrome extension called Toolkit for FB. This tool will help you to make a friendship with thousands of people, right? Click all confirm friend request. You can use this tool. This tool is not available now on Chrome store, right, because Google removed this tool. So I will show you how you can use this tool. For now, just see how it look like the tool. You can follow or join group, climb group, admission group with no admins, right? Download Facebook videos. You can do all that activity from this using tool, and you can download this extension below the description, or may I have give you link of this extension, and install this extension into your computer and use this. So we are going to actually use this feature called click all add friends button, right? Just click over there and you can make a friendship. Before that, make sure you open the, Facebook on your desktop, right, and then install this toolkit for FB. So as you can see here, Google has removed this extension from its web store. However, you can download this extension CX file, and you can download this file. I have given you this file. Another tool you need for this strategy is that lookupid.com. You need lookup ID. Using this tool, you can find the interest, right? So just go to this tool, open this tool, and go to the FB search, right? Okay, so come here and go here, people who live in, suppose India, and like real estate. Just click on search. Make sure you open your Facebook, right? Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. For this, Another method you can use this is just go here and search real estate. Just search it. Sometime it works or sometime it doesn't work. For now it doesn't work. You need to search. Then go to the people's section. So these all people are interested in real estate. Now you have to make a friendship with these all people. For this, just as you can see here, filter results, right? So you need to choose a city. So I will go for India. Okay, so you need city. Okay, let's suppose, okay, California. Okay, let's go with this. Filter. Okay, so these all people live in California and they are interested in real estate, right? So now you need a extension which will going to help you to make friendship with these all people. Just scroll down. Okay, click on all friends button. Just start a tool. Just select this, enable auto scroll, go down, select algorithm number 1 and start clicking. As you can see here, this tool automatically clicks on add friend, right? As you can see here, this tool works. Let me cancel this for now. So what I have just show you is that this is how you can use this strategy in your real estate business. So you need 5000 FB friends who are targeted people and then share your listing on profile. So I would recommend you that to go with dummy profile, create another dummy profile and do this all activity on that profile. Don't use your personal profile, right? Okay, so another strategy you can use to generate free leads is that building a community. This works very well. You can create a Facebook group, you can create a Telegram group, you can create a WhatsApp group and there you can generate free leads also. So for this you need to understand that your targeted location, right, common area location, and make friendship with or make a community of those people who are in your targeted area, right, and build a community with them. You can do this. Okay, strategy number 3 is that offer something for free in exchange of contact information. Then you need email plus SMS marketing. Simple and simple. Just ask yourself what you can offer for free in exchange of contact information. In digital marketing we called it as lead magnet. Lead magnet, you get a lead and you have magnet of that to attracting the lead. So you can create a free ebook, you can create a free teaching system or anything you can create for free and offer this free to people who are in your targeted audience, and then you have to do email plus SMS marketing. Simple as simple. In SMS and email marketing, just you need to market your listing and your value information. These 3 strategy works very well, and make sure you use this strategy in your business to generate leads for free. Okay, so bonus points I would like to give you that qualify leads for better result and save time plus money. So let me show you how you can qualify the lead. Most of people or most of lead you may have seen that they don't actually a potential customer, right? They don't have enough money to purchase real estate. So for this you need to ask some question after capture the lead. Ask some question after capture the lead. Do email marketing, share listing information with them, and you can use telemarketing to qualify the lead. Make a list of 5 questions and ask first of all this question, so you can understand the potential of your customer. And if the customer you think he is a potential and he could purchase your property, then do email marketing. Simple as simple. So this will save your time and give you better result, plus it will save your money also. So thank you so much in this video. Hopefully you like this video and you are going to implement this strategy in your business, and you can generate free leads for your real estate business. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Welcome back to Digital Real Estate Marketing video course. In this video you are going to learn different methods for digital real estate marketing. So let's get started. So number one is a social media marketing. You can use a social media marketing for building a trust and brand. Number two is online paid ads to generate leads online. Number three, that SEO, search engine optimization, for natural traffic, or we can say that for free traffic or a rank, and this will help you to generate leads also. Another is that video marketing best works in real estate, right? You can do a video marketing on your YouTube channel, right? So in video marketing what you can do is that you can create your listing video, right? Professional video, and upload this video on your YouTube channel and use this video to promote on social media or via paid ads, right? And another is that whenever you get inquiry for your particular listing, you can share this video to give virtual experience to your customer using video marketing. You can use this, and this video marketing works very well, and this will help you to convert your lead into customer, right? Another is that email and SMS marketing for cold marketing and follow-ups. You can generate cold leads for cold marketing, and if you want to do follow-ups, you can use you can do email or SMS marketing. Another is that building a brand, right? Another most important method is that you need to build a brand for a long-term sustainable business. These are the main 6 methods you can use in your digital real estate marketing, and this will help you a lot. That's the main thing content. So let's go to my final words, and these last words I would like to tell you is that take action. It is very important that you must take an action to get a result from this course, right? This is not just a theory course, because I want you to take an action in your real estate business, right? It is very important that you must take action whatever you have learned so far, right? Whatever you have learned in digital marketing with me using this course, or in future whatever you are going to learn, make sure you take an action. It is very important to get a result. If you don't get result, that means you didn't take any kind of action, right? So make sure you take an action. Another thing I would like to tell you that contact me. Feel free to contact me to learn paid ads with me, or you can contact me to get my real estate marketing services. You can contact me at rajputpawan9913@gmail.com, and I will give you my WhatsApp number, or I will reach out to you via mail, and let's do business together. Or if you want to learn from me special or dedicated paid ads, then you can contact me also at this. Another thing is that I teach people Facebook and Instagram ads. If you want to learn from me, you can learn. Another thing about my service is that paid ads. I provide services, paid ads, SEO, website development, social media marketing, right? You can contact me for these services. So that's the thing in this video, and thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for this enrolling in this course, right? Thank you so much, and make sure you take an action and improve your knowledge in digital marketing to generate leads, to generate business, and invest upon yourself time plus money. It is very important. Thank you so much, and don't forget to give me feedback, right, via my mail. And if you have any kind of question, feedback or complaint, you can contact me. I will help you with that. Thank you so much. This content will be updated soon, so don't this content will be updated and you will get notification. Thank you so much.
Hey, my name is Pawan Rajput. I just need you a few seconds. Do you want to be the top-notch real estate marketer who generate consistent flow of leads for free and paid using some strategies without Google and YouTube search, even if you don't have much technical knowledge? If your answer is yes, look at this. I have created some ebooks for real estate marketing to generate consistent flow of leads to help you to be the next top-notch real estate marketer. That's why I have created special bundle offer for you for limited time at a huge discount and priceless bonuses. So what are you waiting for? Go and check it out this landing page. You will find this link in the description. Keep it secret. At the end of this page, there is a something special offer for you. So go and check it out right now. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.